Some news just coming in. Abhishek's wife Rujira Banerjee has responded to the notice that has been given by the CBI. Abhishek's wife Rujira offers to join the probe tomorrow. She says that I'm unaware why I was summoned and also says that the CBI team can visit her between 11 p.m. to 3 p.m. tomorrow to record the statement. Paulmi Saha getting us the very latest on that story from Kolkata. Paulmi, so finally there is a reaction from Rujira, whose sister is also in fact under the scanner right now.
That's right. Rujira Banerjee has in fact responded to the CBI notice served to her yesterday, asking her to join the investigation which is currently underway in the alleged coal smuggling case. Rujira Banerjee has written to the CBI and said, while I'm unaware as to how I am being asked or called in for questioning as far as this case is concerned, but you may visit my residence tomorrow as per your own convenience between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. Do kindly inform me of your schedule. So Rujira Banerjee has told the CBI that she will be cooperating with their process of investigation. They had in fact wanted to question her as far as her alleged links are concerned in terms of the coal smuggling case is concerned. CBI sources indicate that Rujira Banerjee's name has cropped up when questioning others and investigating this matter is concerned. Remember, the CBI registered the case last year in November. Since then has been conducting searches and raids across West Bengal, specifically in the coal districts, the coal-rich districts of Bengal, along the border with Jharkhand, like Bankura, Purulia, West Bardhaman, and in Kolkata as well. They've conducted some raids. Now, of course, they're saying that they would like to question Rujira Banerjee and her sister Menaka Gambhir in this case. Menaka Gambhir had responded yesterday itself and said that I will be available for a questioning today, and Rujira now has responded and said I will be available tomorrow between 11 a.m. to 3 p.m.
Yes, Paulmi, be with us. Munish is also getting us more on that. He joins us from Delhi, tracking the CBI. What's the very latest, Munish, as far as the questioning of Menaka Gambhir, the sister of Rujira Narula, is concerned?
Well, Sneha, what we have been given to understand is that a team will be visiting her residence to question her. But as far as Rujira is concerned, her reply is still to be accepted by the Central Bureau of Investigation. According to procedure, what CBI says that the investigative officer will take a call whether she has to be questioned tomorrow or not, whether she will be summoned again for today or tomorrow. That is still to be decided by the Central Bureau of Investigation. Last evening, till late last evening, the CBI was waiting for Rujira to return home so that they can question, but she was not available. Now they have got a letter from Rujira saying that she will be joining the investigation on 23rd. But as of now, CBI is yet to accept her reply. As far as the entire questioning is concerned, CBI claims that after going through the material which was collected during the raids across West Bengal and after recording statement of several witnesses in the case, they have come across certain material evidence, and based on which they want to question Rujira and her sister in connection with this case. After the questioning only, it can be ascertained whether she had any role to play in this entire alleged scam or not.
Be with us. In fact, I'm going to request Paulmi to be with us. I'm thanking you for the moment, Munish. We'll of course keep coming back to you.